Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So today's video is a quick review of Buildbook, a project management tool made for custom home builders and remodelers. If you run construction jobs and want one place for schedules, budgets, client updates, and tasks, this platform is built for that exact use case. It's designed to streamline everything related to construction project management, making it easier to keep track of deadlines, resources, and communication all in one spot. Buildbook is web-based, and it also has mobile access, so you can check jobs on-site or in the office. This flexibility is really helpful because it means you can stay on top of everything, no matter where you are. Whether you're at the job site inspecting work or in the office working on the next project, you have access to real-time updates. The layout is simple, which helps if your team is not very technical. Everything is easy to navigate and doesn't require a steep learning curve. You can set up projects, invite clients, and keep everyone in one shared workspace. This reduces the back-and-forth communication that can often slow down a project, keeping everything organized and on track. One of its biggest strengths is client communication. Instead of long text threads and missed emails, clients can see updates, files, timelines, and progress in one dashboard. This centralized view makes it easier for everyone involved to stay in the loop. For example, if a client is wondering about the status of a task, they can check the dashboard and instantly see the latest information, saving time and reducing confusion. That alone can reduce confusion and save time on status calls. It's a great way to keep everyone on the same page, which is especially useful for keeping clients informed without constant back and forth. You also get tools for estimates, proposals, contracts, change orders, daily logs, and punch lists. These features cover a wide range of tasks that most builders face on a daily basis. For many small and mid-sized builders, this means you can manage all your essential tasks without stacking too many extra apps. Instead of juggling multiple software tools for scheduling, estimating, and communication, Buildbook combines everything into one user-friendly platform. Scheduling is clear, making task assignments easy to track. The intuitive scheduling feature lets you quickly assign tasks, set deadlines, and ensure that everyone knows exactly what's expected. This way, you can avoid missed deadlines or tasks slipping through the cracks. On pricing, Buildbook is usually seen as a premium, but focused option for residential builders. The price might seem high at first, especially if you're running small projects, but if better communication helps you avoid even one costly mistake, it can quickly pay for itself. Think about it. Avoiding delays, miscommunication, or costly errors due to unclear client expectations could save you more than the cost of the platform. The value it adds by reducing project chaos and miscommunication often justifies the investment. Now, the downsides. It is not built to replace heavy enterprise systems used by very large commercial teams. If you need deep accounting, advanced reporting, or very complex integrations, you might outgrow it and need add-ons or another platform. For instance, if you're managing massive construction projects with hundreds of people and detailed financial tracking, you may find that Buildbook doesn't have all the advanced features that larger-scale enterprise systems offer. But for smaller, residential projects, it does its job well. So, is Buildbook worth it? For remodelers and home builders who want cleaner client communication, organized project tracking, and a tool that is easy to adopt, yes, it is a strong option. The simplicity of its interface and the comprehensive set of tools for day-to-day project management make it ideal for small and mid-sized builders. If your workflow is very complex or very enterprise level, test it first before committing. You don't want to invest in a tool that doesn't fully meet your needs. Before you buy, run a real trial on one active job. Import your schedule, post updates for your client, issue one change order, and track responses for a week. This hands-on trial gives you the best sense of whether Buildbook will fit into your workflow and help streamline your processes. If your team uses it and finds it helpful, that's the best signal that Buildbook is the right fit for your business. And remember, it's always a good idea to test any tool before fully committing to ensure it fits your needs. Let me know in the comments if you've used Buildbook or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.